You ever catch your partner in a lie and suddenly it's like your stomach drops? That tightness in your chest, that racing mind. What does this mean? Are they going to hurt me? Should I even be here? Here's the truth. The lie isn't the real problem. What's actually happening is your fear of disappointment is getting poked. And until you learn how to stop dreading disappointment, you will keep running into it over and over. Stay with me because by the end of this, you will know exactly why that pain keeps showing up and how to stop it from running your relationship. Relationships have this funny way of serving us exactly what we need to grow, even if it's the last thing we want to deal with. You fear abandonment, you will find yourself with people who trigger that fear. You hate feeling unseen, you'll attract people who make you fight to be noticed. It's not the universe being cruel. It's life asking you, are you ready to stop running from this? Most people spend their energy trying to avoid disappointment. But here's the thing, the more you resist it, the more it controls you. Ever noticed how when you really don't want something to happen, it somehow happens even more? Like if you constantly worry about your partner ignoring your texts, suddenly they take even longer to respond. That's not an accident. The energy of resistance just pulls more of that same experience towards you. So what do you do instead? You practice making peace with the thing you fear. Try this. Write down the absolute worst outcome you can imagine in your relationship. Maybe it's they leave me for someone else. Maybe it's they lie and never tell me the truth. Whatever it is, sit with it. And every day, just 10 minutes, imagine that scenario. But instead of reacting with panic, just breathe through it. Feel your body tense up. Stay with it. Feel anger. Let it move through you. But keep sending love to yourself, to the situation, to everything. What happens when you do this? You stop fearing that outcome. You become free. It doesn't mean you want it to happen. It just means it no longer owns you. And the irony? When you're no longer afraid of disappointment, people stop triggering it so much. You show up differently, the energy shifts, and suddenly that thing you dreaded so much isn't even a thing anymore. I know this isn't the usual fix your relationship advice, but this is the real work. The stuff that actually changes how love feels for you. And if this hit home for you, let's keep this conversation going. Drop a comment, let me know what this brought up for you. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Because this is just the beginning.